Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Saucy in the kitchen, yeah, it's going down. Making mouth water, saucy talk of the town. I know you're hungry, can't fight it, you will lose your breath. Quickie meals for your pleasure, here's another chef. Subscribe to the channel, Saucy, you be boss. Without further ado, I'm introducing sauce.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today I have another Taco Bell kit. This is the cheesy double-decker taco from the Taco Cravings kit. All you're going to add is your protein and the toppings of your choice. And the kit comes with 6 soft tortillas, Velveeta cheese sauce, 6 crunchy taco shells, and taco seasoning. Okay guys, here's everything that came inside the kit. Okay guys, I have some shredded lettuce, diced tomato, and some sour cream. I'm just going to set that to the side. Okay guys, in a frying pan over medium heat, you want to brown a pound of ground beef. Once you're done browning your ground beef, you want to go ahead and turn off your heat, and you want to drain it of any excess grease. Drained all the grease, you want to go ahead and add in your Taco Bell seasoning mix. You want to have your heat on medium, and you want to add in 3/4 cup of water. We're going to mix it until it's well combined. You're going to let it come to like a little boil, and you're going to let it simmer for 10 minutes. Once it comes to a boil, you want to go ahead and lower it to medium-low heat and let it simmer for 10 minutes. After your taco meat is done, you want to put it in a bowl and set it to the side. Next, set your oven to 350 degrees. You want to get your taco shells and place them on a baking sheet, and we're going to let them warm up for 3 to 5 minutes. Now we're going to take our soft tortillas and we're going to place them on a microwave safe plate, and we're going to microwave them until they're warm on high for 30 seconds. You also want to cover it with a paper towel. Okay guys, now that your tortillas are heated, we're going to take our Velveeta cheese. We're just going to place them on top, and we're going to spread it out. Okay guys, now you want to take your taco shells and place them onto your tortilla. And we're just going to fold it over. Just like that. Next, we're going to go ahead and fill it with our taco meat. Okay guys, once you have your taco meat on, I'm going to go ahead and put some shredded lettuce. And we're going to go on top with our tomato. Okay guys, after you're done that, I'm going to add some sour cream. Going to add a few more tomatoes on top. Okay guys, so here we have it, our cheesy double-decker tacos. You can also add some Taco Bell mild sauce to that. how nice and cheesy they are. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef.